What's up, everybody? I'm here at one of my properties where I'm actually getting the pickleball court shifted over slightly. So they've removed the paint. All the court lines have to shift over. As you can see, I've actually got a volleyball court here and everything. So the court is shifting over about 6 feet to the right. This side is gonna have all of the like seating areas. I'm gonna have benches here, a little professional looking seating area. And yeah, just got to get the paint redone. They had to re-drill. They just filled the holes where it originally was over here and drilled all these holes here as well. And obviously the net had to get moved. But yeah, I had to take care of that and shift it over so that it's a certain distance away from the edges. And this is what you got to do. You got to have these amenities, and this will be one of the only properties in this entire city that has a private pickleball court on the property because of the tight regulation around that in this particular city. So, yep, I got to clean up all of this on the sides just from doing a lot of moving, a bunch of stuff. But yeah, I got the pool, the spa, the property in the back here, palm trees, and most importantly, you got the mountains in the back. The sun's about to set. But these are the type of properties, guys, that win in 2025 and beyond. You've got to put in the work to make your properties stand out, be unique, and that way you just beat out the competition. So any people that want pickleball court, just immediately reach out to me for this property and book it well in advance. They come from all over the country, and ever since I built the court and put it on my listing, I've had people literally only reach out for the pickleball court. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you guys while I'm here. I just left with the contractor, was just here building the court and drawing the lines and making sure that's all right. You don't need to be there for this stuff, but since the property was close enough for me, I like to always get my eyes on it and see exactly what's going on. So here we are. If you want to learn exactly how to get into the Airbnb game in 2025, by the way, click the link in the description. I got a free course that you can watch, teaches you how to start Airbnb from scratch in 2025 and how it's changed in 2025, exactly how to win now and what you need to do to stand out and actually succeed. And then you can also click the link to actually work with me one-on-one. I take on a handful of students every month on a one-on-one basis. You can click and apply for that. And if you qualify, I would love to work with you and take you from absolute beginner and catapult you all the way to 6 figures or even 7 figures or multiple 7 figures. And that's it. So I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.